Hey, what's up guys? This is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. I just finished up an install here in Fort Mill, South Carolina. I wanted to show you. We got 3 Draper shades here, flex shades. We got 2 XL units on the back here, stretching 2 columns apiece, and then one 127 over here on the side. I'm going to put them up and down and kind of show you guys the product. This is a 5% charcoal chestnut fabric with the charcoal chestnut hardware to match. Look at how tight these are stretched all the way across. No ripples, just stretched really tight for a perfect clear view from the inside and no view on the outside. I can't see anything inside right now. So let's go and put these up and I'll show you from the inside. These are really nice because you can just open one of these and have it as your entry or exit point, and leave the others closed. This customer in particular has the forced air heaters up here on the ceiling, and during the winter time she'll be able to use these and not let any of that warm air escape. So let's go ahead and put these down and see our view. Look at that. It's like we're looking through tint right now, right? But you also have the complete privacy from the outside. So there's a very busy road in the back when I'm sure during the fall and winter all the leaves drop, and she's wide open back here. So this would be nice to leave down and have the privacy. So I'm gonna put them back up. And very smooth install all the way around. We attached them to the exterior of the home, so she can't see any of this hardware. She can't see any of the hardware. She can just see that bottom hem bar. And it pretty much goes away when she doesn't want to see it. So just wanted to show you. Again, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters, and visit us on www.carolinablindcrafters.com. Thanks.